Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Tuesday, July 15, 2025. We're covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes closed mostly higher today. The Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite both reached new all-time highs, up slightly. The technology sector gained 1.2%, while the healthcare sector dropped 1.8%. Market breadth shows strength in the Nasdaq Composite with nearly two-thirds of stocks advancing. The technology sector saw similar strength with 459 advances versus 208 declines. The healthcare sector showed mixed signals despite its price decline. Weekly returns show the technology sector leading with a 1% gain, while the healthcare sector lags, down nearly 2%. Month to date, the Nasdaq Composite is up 1.5%, outperforming other tech-related indexes. Leading tech stocks showed significant gains today. Supermicro jumped 6.9%, followed by First Solar up 6.8%. Nvidia reached a new all-time high, rising 3.9% amid strong upward momentum. Year-to-date returns highlight Supermicro's remarkable 74% gain. Advanced Micro Devices and Nvidia have both gained over 27%, while Synopsys is up 17%. Among declining tech stocks, Enphase Energy fell 4.1%. Gartner dropped 3.5%, marking its seventh consecutive down day and hitting a one-year low. EPAM Systems declined 3% in its fifth straight negative session. Year-to-date losses are substantial among underperformers. Enphase Energy leads declines, down 41%. EPAM Systems, Gartner, and Teradyne have all fallen more than 25%. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed continued strength today. QQQ and VanEck Semiconductor ETF both reached new all-time highs. The Semiconductor ETF showed notable strength, rising 1.9%. ProShares Ultra-Short QQQ hit a new all-time low after 44 days of sideways movement. Looking at returns, VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads the group with a 20% year-to-date gain and over 4% month-to-date. Vanguard Information Technology and QQQ show similar year-to-date performance around 8.8%, while the leveraged bearish QQQ ETF has declined nearly 39%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft hit a new all-time high at 505.82. Alphabet closed up for the fifth consecutive day. Both companies show very strong positive trends, along with Amazon. Meta Platforms was the only decliner. Returns analysis shows Microsoft and Amazon leading month-to-date gains around 3%. Apple lags year-to-date with a 16% decline, while Meta Platforms has surged over 21% this year, despite recent weakness. Semiconductor stocks showed strength today. GSI Technology jumped 8.9% to hit a one-year high. Advanced Micro Devices surged 6.4% amid strong volatility. Wolfspeed and Pixelworks also posted significant gains. Looking at returns, GSI Technology has soared 48% this month. Wolfspeed shows extreme volatility with a 288% monthly gain, despite being down 76% year-to-date. Advanced Micro Devices maintains a solid 28% yearly gain. Cloud computing stocks rallied strongly. The Trade Desk and Twilio both surged over 6%, breaking out from sideways patterns. Synopsys gained 3.5%, while Oracle and Cloudflare advanced over 2%. Return metrics highlight Cloudflare's impressive 73% year-to-date gain. Oracle follows with a 41% yearly increase. The Trade Desk shows recent strength, but remains down 31% this year. In AI and robotics, Vicarious Surgical rose 6.2%, marking its fifth straight positive close. Symbotic hit a one-year high. ASML Holding gained 2%, while Rockwell Automation and Ambarella showed modest advances. Symbotic leads the group with a remarkable 104% year-to-date return. Vicarious Surgical has surged 29% this month, despite being down 26% for the year. Rockwell Automation maintains a solid 21% yearly gain. Leading thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed positive momentum today. Spear Alpha ETF led gains, rising 1.1% with a very strong upward trend. AI and technology and robotics both broke out from consolidation patterns, maintaining very strong positive trends. Year-to-date performance shows robotics and AI and technology leading with returns of 13.6% and 13.3% respectively. Spear Alpha and AI and Innovation Fund follow with gains around 11%, while robotics and AI and automation Bull Twox shows a slight decline. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today, with Lucid leading gains at 2.6%. BYD followed with a 2.4% rise, while NIO maintained strong upward momentum, marking its fourth consecutive positive close amid increased volatility. Monthly returns highlight NIO's impressive 23.9% gain. Lucid follows with a 10.4% increase. Year-to-date, XPeng leads with a remarkable 51.6% return, while BYD shows strong performance at 39.3%. In quantum computing, D-Wave Quantum rose 2% with a very strong positive trend. Applied Materials gained 1.1%. TE Connectivity touched an all-time high during trading, but couldn't maintain the level at close. Year-to-date performance shows D-Wave Quantum surging 92.3%. Applied Materials and TE Connectivity both posted solid gains around 22%, while Keysight Technologies remained relatively flat, with a modest 0.8% increase. Solar stocks surged today, led by First Solar, with a significant 6.8% gain. Nextracker followed with a 5.1% increase. Sunrun and SolarEdge Technologies both broke out from consolidation patterns, rising 3.3% and 2.4% respectively. Month to date, SolarEdge Technologies leads with a 34.2% gain, followed by Sunrun at 30.9%. Nextracker shows impressive year-to-date performance of 72.3%, while First Solar remains slightly negative for the year. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strength today, with VanEck Semiconductor ETF reaching a new all-time high at 290.82, up 5.50. Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund also achieved a new record close at 257.92. All featured ETFs maintain very strong positive trends. Return metrics highlight VanEck Semiconductor ETF's strong performance, with a 20% year-to-date gain. Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF leads week-to-date returns at 3%, while other semiconductor ETFs show year-to-date gains between 13–14%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.